friends, I was, what was that? But Russian, are you okay? I was playing some video games and the Russian is starting to make some weird noises. So I think I'm gonna give him a new gift. My AR-15, I don't use this thing that much, so... But Russian, I got gift for you. Hello. It's an AR-15 American rifle. 5.56 American caliber. But it's very quiet. It's got a suppressor on it. Right. Okay. Let me load it quick. Hello. What is that? Right. Whose is that phone? Okay. Let's actually shoot it out the window. Let me load 1.556 round. I think I have it in my pocket. Yes, we got 1.556 full metal jacket. Loaded. Okay. No, I can't afford an AK-47. What? You don't need AK-47. No. This is good and quiet gun. Look. Open the window for you. It's not too legal. I guess I'll do it. Okay, out the window. No. We don't need, okay? Let's shoot the AR-15 out the window. No, but no. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Our neighbors will... The police will come now. Okay, but... Hey. Let's shoot the AR-15. Yeah, that was very quiet. Wow, you were amazed how quiet the AR-15 is. Very nice gun, right? Nice. You want AR-15 or not? Okay. Nigga. Whoa. Stop. Hey. Stop. Under the bed now. If you don't want to give it, then fuck off. Yeah, now the neighbors don't like me because I shoot out of the fucking window. Okay. Hey, want to get a bullet under the bed, bitch? Want a fucking bullet? Huh? You want a bullet? That's what I thought, nigga.